Welcome to Airy Building Group's latest project showcase. Behind us, we have the Bond University Institute of Health and Sport building, which we have completed a major renovation over the last 8 months. We've really transformed this building into a world-class facility with a 5-level refurb. With there being 5 major parts to this renovation, each stage was considered its own project, and that was to maintain trade and also the ability to access the other floors while we were doing the major renovation within those floor spaces. Some of the key logistical challenges we had was materials to get into each specific floor, and that's where we utilised abseilers who abseiled externally down the building to remove glass panels, and then we had a Manitou to lift all of our plasterboard, stud and track and all of our materials in through the side of the building. Whilst we were doing that, we obviously maintained a safe work practice and also the ability for everyone to enter the building. Another key factor to this build was working in conjunction with another builder who was building BIHS North. And during that, we ensured that there was a seamless transition between 2 link bridges, which connected these 2 buildings together on level 2 and 3 to connect these as one major vital hub. As time is always critical on commercial projects, each floor space that we renovated took approximately between 4 to 10 weeks to renovate. We're going to kick off our walkthrough on the ground floor and show you what we've achieved there. Kicking off our ground floor tour of the Institute of Health and Sport building, we have our new 2 tenancies behind us. One, our Bond Physiotherapy, which has our 3 clinic rooms, plus an open space area for student use and also for public use. And then in our nutrition clinic side, we have 6 private clinic offices for all of our students and public as well. With this fit out being on the ground floor, it was quite complex to maintain access for the other 4 flights of this building. So what we did was, through our main entryway through here, we had a full 3.6 metre high hoarding section to differentiate our 2 sides of the builds, which maintained and continued at the same time while the building operated. Some of our key features are the aesthetics on this build, which is a lot of our joinery works in our timber look, and then our timber battens on our ceiling. We've got 2 different types through here. We've got our spotted gum vertical slats, which are running up through here. And then on my nutrition clinic side, for each project, we try and meet sustainability goals. And what we've been able to utilise here is some recycled spotted gum timber, which we've used for our bulkhead cladding and then our internal ceiling cladding. Some other key little subtle features is our beautiful concealed LED strip lights, which we have within our timber bulkhead sections, and then our linear lights over our reception desks. With the works completed, we've transformed this waiting area and this old commercial cafe into 2 new tenancies, which Bond can utilise for their student use and also the public here. Right now, we're in the High Performance Training Centre here on the ground floor. Behind us, we've installed some acoustic rated glazing, which is on the level 1 balcony, and the installation of that was to help the noise reduction between our gym area and our level 1 offices. To ensure a great result, we partnered with an acoustic engineer consultant, which gave us a spec design for some acoustic rated laminate glass. The glass here is over 15 millimetres thick and majorly reduces our noise transfer between our 2 spaces. We've also done a lot of structural steel, which is hidden in our bulkheads up above, and keeping with our themes here, we've created a new timber bulkhead over the top of our glazing, which goes up to our level 2 balcony area. Our level 1 floor space here consisted of a reconfigure of our 8 offices for our health and science sports staff. We also have our CLS room, which is a clinical research space for 26 workstations, and a large multifunctional use lecture theatre space. We're standing here on our level 2 floor space of the Institute of Health and Sport building. The internal structures of this building were 650 square metres of completely renovated floor space, plus an additional 82 square metres of balcony space, which has been transformed into 6 new consultation rooms. With that, it's a whole new roof line, all new external walls that also worked in conjunction with our link bridge to our BIHS North, which is a new building which is being built at the same time as this building was being renovated. The use of our level 2 floor space is for a health and wellness clinic. Some key critical details on this build was to ensure the sound quality between each consultation room. So that's where we've constructed our walls from floor to ceiling using a high density sound shield board with an acoustic rated insulation bat. We also have our Armstrong BioGuard, which is a medical grade ceiling tile for also our noise properties. We've got a total of 23 rooms, which consist of consultant rooms, observatory rooms, and interview rooms. And what this does, this simulates real world training for all of our students and for also patients coming to this clinic. This reception area behind us was really designed as a gateway hub to bring people from the ground floor up into this waiting area, and then it also works in conjunction with our new auto doors and link bridge to BIHS North to really connect these two buildings together. Moving up to our level 3 floor space, behind us here, we've got our large curved wall, which helps separate our two different zones on this floor space. We have a clinical skills training area behind us, and then also a full medical suite in through here for all simulation wards. Each area can be separated between our operable walls to create individual areas, or they can be opened up to create one large space. Moving up here to our level 4 floor space, we're once again situated on our 650 square metres of floor space. This was at the start more of an open plan area, and what we've done is convert this into 40 new offices for staff here for the university, and they facilitate BIHS North and BIHS South. Some of the key features on this floor space are once again all of our walls having that sound rated treatment of the sound shield board and the acoustic bats, and then our beautiful curved walls behind us, which are situated in our two main hubs of our hallways, which link all the offices to our lift lobby and kitchenette area for staff. We're standing here on our level 5 floor space, which is our final floor, which we've renovated. This space used to be some smaller meeting rooms and some smaller offices, and what we've been able to do is pick up 9 additional offices, a staff breakout area, a modern and state-of-the-art boardroom, and also some hallways which link all of this floor space together. Some of the key features for this level 5 floor space, once again, we have all of our sound rated walls between our office space and our boardroom. We also have in the boardroom our recessed LED lights, which are behind a plasterboard pelmet area, which shadows the boardroom table, and then our beautiful curved walls, which are in our hallways, just to really open up these spaces and link all of these different areas together. I am so proud to be standing here to represent Aerie Building Group to hand over this latest project to Bond University. I want to thank all of our contractors that work with us day in, day out on these projects, and thank you, Bond, for trusting us to deliver another fantastic project.